What up, y'all? I'm Steve with Elevate, and today I want to talk about how to put your tubing inside your wand so you can create your whip. The first thing you're going to want to do is get some water, or you can just use some hot tap water. I prefer just some hot tap water, but for this video, and if you want hotter water than what your tap can do, you might want to microwave it. But remember, you don't need to go too hot. It's just hot to warm. Ridiculously hot is it's dangerous, and you just don't need to go there. The hot water lets your tubing become more malleable to go in there, and you can just run it on there. The water also is a lubricant as well, and as it dries, because there are minerals in there, it will cause it to stick to the glass, and that also is a really good thing in my opinion. So I'm going to stick it in there, and what I like to do is press it, and with my finger it creates like a little taco shell, and then I push it in there and get that thing to go in there, and bada bing, bada bang. That is 1 inch that I like to leave in there. The next thing, we'll go ahead and show you how to do a Silver Surfer, good catch there. Silver Surfer wand, same thing. You're gonna put it in there, do a little taco push in there, and press it in, and bada bing, bada bang. Then you got your DBV wand, same thing. But this one, there's a little flare there, and you can pretty much just kind of press it in 99% of the time, and just kind of push it in there like that, and you're good to go. If you do need to press the little taco shell, you can do that as well. Sometimes it doesn't open up because it's all the same diameter inside, whereas these tubes are not. And then it goes in there, bada bing, bada bang. So anyways, that's how you change out your tubing or insert your tubing into your wand. If you got any questions, let us know in our questions and answers. Hit the form button there and let us know. We're here to help you out with any questions you got. Thank you so much. Peace and elevate. Mind, body, spirit.